Okay, this analysis from 20th March to 24th March. Okay, see, those who have studied the intermediate, the price action story is very clear over here. You see, market tried to penetrate. This is Euro USD on daily chart. Try to penetrate, fail, penetrated, retest, drop, penetrate, retest, drop. And if you guys still remember, this is the low, this is the high, this is the low, this is high. A lot of sellers will enter at this area, so market really dropped. Okay, then what market have done is stuck in a range where market try to penetrate higher, fail, sellers are coming in, the market drop again, buyers are coming and market will retest at this area. So what I will do is, as a price action trader, I will wait until market react to this area. I will go short. The price of this area is 1.0850. That's Euro USD. The video is recorded. Okay, the video is recorded. Don't worry, those who cannot write, don't worry. Okay. Okay, this is on Euro USD. GBPUSD, very clear, where okay, since Brexit, market was trying to penetrate, failed. Market penetrated, tried to retest. Because of the Brexit news, a lot of sellers entered early itself. They don't want to retest here. They feel the price is very cheap. They just short from here to down. And if you see another point, market tried to break, fail, try to break, fail, penetrated, retest, and stuck in a range over here. So basically, GBP USD pound sterling stuck in a range. It's like a staircase. Can you see the staircase? Drop, stuck in a range, drop, stuck in a range. So as long GBP USD stuck in a range, you can buy at lowest price, sell at the highest price. So last week our signal was buy GBP USD, correct? So we made about 170 to 180 pips on this trade. So we anticipated to buy a target at this area. Next Monday, tomorrow or Tuesday, once you guys see a sign of bankers entered here, you can go short. Okay. Okay. Look at the GBP. Once I see a sign of bankers enter, I'll go short. Another scenario that potential to happen is, if at all market penetrated higher, I'll wait for retest. I'll become a buyer at this area. I'll advance higher. So this situation is like a bi-directional. It can be a selling or buying. Wait for confirmation. USDCAD. Okay, basically USDCAD in a range market. But now I see a lot of good sign of sellers coming in at a highest price. So I'll wait until price to retest to 1.3440. Once price reaches this level, I will become a seller with the confirmation. Okay, USDCAD. Okay, USDCHF. Okay, a lot of sellers are coming. Okay, during crisis time, recession time, 3 currency pairs will be strengthened in the world: Japanese yen, Swiss franc, and USD. USD is the artificial currency which strengthened during recession, but the real value is Japanese yen and Swiss franc yen. I'm anticipating for next couple of months or years these two pairs to strengthen, because we are entering recession. This currency pairs will strengthen. Naturally, it more on downside. Okay. So what I will do for this currency pair, I'll wait until market to retest to this area. with the banker's sign, I'll go short. I'll go short over here and grow my profit. This level is 1.0055. Okay. USD yen. Okay. If you guys see USD yen on a bigger time frame, daily chart, market tried to penetrate, failed. Try to penetrate again, penetrated. Okay, penetrated. The market haven't retest. So market is heading to retest here. So if USD yen is going to retest down, means Japanese yen is going to is getting stronger, because during recession everyone will be holding Japanese yen. So this week I'm anticipating USD to have a negative news. Japanese yen will be targeting at 1.06 target on long term, long term. But what I'm seeing at the moment is it's stuck in a very small range of 300 pips. I think 2 or 3 weeks back we anticipated either market going to go up or go down. If it goes up, we make 300 pips. If it goes down, we make 600 pips. So we made 300 pips. Market is again reaching here. If I see bankers coming in here, I'll buy and target. I'll play in the range. If I see the market break below this retest, I will become a seller and I'll target over here, but 500 pips to 600 pips. This might take 2 weeks. Okay, and Aussie CAD, I think Kumar suggested this currency pair. It's a very good resistance area, but I won't be taking this trade because this is a counter trend. We take only with the trend. So you can observe the Aussie CAD. If there's a good confirmation, you can take the trade. Canadian yen. Anyone saw opportunity in Canadian yen?
Yeah.
Okay. You see? If USD yen strengthening, Canadian yen also will be strong, because Japanese yen is getting strong, right? When the Japanese yen is getting strong, market will be drifted down. If Japanese yen is getting stronger here, Japanese yen getting stronger at this currency pair also. So the market will be just dropping. So more downside pressure, but market is stuck in a range over here. Can you see the range? So next Monday, if I see a confirmation or any sign of candle here going up, I become a buyer. I'll sell. I close my position here and I will sell. If you ask me, it's good to only sell position in any yen pairs, Canadian yen. You sell any currency pairs like euro yen, you sell euro. Canadian yen, you sell Canadian yen. You'll be on the safer side. Okay, but it's creating downtrend. You see, low, high, low, high. What is this? Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. A lot of sellers enter here. A lot of sellers enter here. Market drop, and again it's creating same low, lower high. A lot of sellers enter here. A lot of sellers. Market created lower low, and the market pull back. A lot of sellers entering here. So overall market is downtrend, and I'm anticipating a close to 300 pips potential gain over here, with a stop loss of only 100 pips. Okay. Euro yen. If you see, basically market is stuck in a range over here for past 2 months, and then it created new lower low, lower high, created lower low. Market pull back. Actually, if you see in a lower time frame, okay, this is the high, this is the low, this is the high, this is the low. Market created high, low, high, low. Short term euro yen is developing uptrend. short term. But by next Monday, we'll confirm whether it's going to go up or go down. Until now, I will stay out of the euro yen. I won't take any position. Okay, until at the moment on daily chart, it's still in a range zone. I'll stay out of the market. If market creates another lower low, lower high, then I'll go short here. Until then, I'm staying out of euro yen. Aussie Swiss franc. It's a very clear price action story. Market tried to penetrate, failed. Tried to penetrate, market tried to penetrate, failed. 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 So market is attempting to break the key line so many times. It's broken. It's retesting now. So Aussie Swiss franc is more on the upside. Australia dollar is strengthening. Okay, at the moment it's a very clear key line over here. Very clear key line. Market already penetrated, retesting. I'm looking on more upside, but there's no clear confirmation. I'm putting this Aussie Swiss franc at observation. Probably you can look at the chart on Wednesday or Tuesday for more better confirmation. Okay, this is A grade trade setup. I will be using this for my trading ideas in the apps. So whatever we discuss over here, all the price action traders know how to handle the trade. So those beginners will be waiting for my signal. So those who have learned price action, they know how to handle this because they know how to manage the trade. Okay, look at this currency pair. This is the key line. The key line at 1.07374. Australia New Zealand dollar 1.07374. You see, market tried to break, fail. Try to break, fail. Try to break, fail. Try to break, fail. Break, fail or break, fail? Try to break, fail. Penetrated. If market penetrated, what will happen after that? Okay, market penetrated, it will retest. So what I will do on this currency pair, I'll go to H4. Okay, mark these there. I'll go to H4. I'll look for counter trend trade setup. I will wait on daily chart or H4 counter trend. I'll target here. Then I'll become a buyer again with a confirmation to continue uptrend. So at the moment we have a potential of gaining 230 pips over here on a counter trend. Canadian Swiss franc. This is the key line. Market stuck in a range, very clear range. Then it penetrated down, retest, drop. If you ask me, we should have entered our trade about last week and our stop loss should be over here. But now still market nearby here. If you ask me, you can enter a trade here, place your stop loss above this level, or you can wait for higher price to go short. Since Swiss franc is going to get strengthened, so but before it strengthens, it will give a pullback, then we can go short. During crisis times, do you know how many pips you guys can make? Okay, I got few fund managers on a weekly chart in 2014. We take our capital 100,000, just for example, out of 1 million, we take 300,000 or $200,000. We place on trade. We won't disturb the trade for 1 year. The trade will be running for 1 year. This is a crisis time. It's a very clear market tried to penetrate, failed. Tried to penetrate, penetrated, retest. Correct? Retest, right? This is what? Low, high, low, high. A lot of sellers entered here. Without correction, market was just bleeding for 13 months. And the pips was 3,000 with a stop loss of 170. 200, make it round number lah. 200 pips stop loss, profit is 3,000. I'm anticipating something like this year. So if I take a position, I'm holding the position for another 13 months or 10 months or 12 months. We don't know when. But you have to be in the position to take the trade. Okay. Okay. EURAUD is a very clear price action story. Market try to penetrate, fail. Try to penetrate, fail. Try to penetrate, fail. Try to penetrate, fail. Penetrated. Did the market retest? Penetrate, retest, and is dropping. At the same time, market is facing some restriction over here also. Market penetrated, retest. Actually, EURAUD stuck in a range. What you guys can do is go to H4. I will be doing intraday trading. I will look for buyer's sign over here to buy. If at all market penetrate down, I'll wait for retest to go short here. This price is 1.3877. New Zealand dollar, last week we took a position. We anticipated buyers will come in here. We took a New Zealand dollar position buy. But what we do is we close all our position on I close on Thursday morning. If price session traders close position next Monday, do we hold position now? We don't have, right? Next Monday, market must come down again to take our position. Price action traders and bankers alone will bring the volume up. Okay, so what will happen next week, Monday, which is tomorrow? I'm anticipating market to give a pullback. A lot of buyers will come in and then they will bring the price higher again. So there's a potential of movement, another 200 pips on New Zealand dollar. EUROCAD, not clear. New Zealand yen. Okay, last week we traded this. I felt that there's a space here which market should retest, but somehow everyone feel that they're losing confidence in the New Zealand dollar and they're gaining a lot of interest on yen. This is the indication that yen is strengthening during uncertainties. So a lot of bankers already entered here, entered here, entered here. A lot of confirmations here, but as a price action trader, I'll be waiting for here. If at all market pull back very fast, I'll go short at this level. This level is 80.50. The price action story is very clear. You see, market tried to penetrate, penetrated. Did the market retest? Did the market advance? Then market tried to penetrate again, fail. Try to penetrate, fail. Try to penetrate, fail. Try to penetrate, fail. Penetrated. Did the market retest? Not yet. Oh, that's very good, huh? Not yet. So not yet. And that's the only reason I'm waiting also. I'm waiting for the market to retest here, then to go short. I will not sell at cheaper price. I want to sell at highest price. Then I make a very good profit. Most of people lose money in Forex because they rush for opportunities. They feel that, hey, what if I miss this opportunity? They will go at any price that market is there. We will wait for right price and cheaper price to go short. Okay. EURGBP. Last week, this was good resistance. Anyone traded last week GBP, EURGBP? I think we got a lot of good problem there because we monitoring a lot of trades. Sometimes we will miss out few trade setup. Okay, market stuck in a range. You see, a very clear price action story. Penetrated, stuck in a range here, broke, retest again. Why retest? There's a key line here. Can you see? Market tried to penetrate, failed, penetrated, retest. Try to drop, also stuck in a range. Basically, Euro and GBP stuck in a range. You can go short any price over here. If next Monday there's a pullback, you can go short, place your stop loss here, set take profit to this level. This is 0.8772. 0.8772. And your take profit should be 0.85803, this level. But I would not sell here because this is very expensive price for me to sell. I'll wait for market to go higher. Euro New Zealand dollar. Euro New Zealand dollar stuck in a range over here. Can you see market try to penetrate, failed, try to penetrate, failed, penetrated, market retest, penetrated, retest. It tried to advance but failed. There's a limitation done over here. So market is bleeding here. So what I'll do is I'll just stay out of the market. I'll wait until market penetrate down. Okay, this level is 1.5186 and the above key level is 1.5423. So what I will do is I'll wait for market to break this, retest. I'll become a seller, or I'll wait market to penetrate higher, retest, I'll become a buyer. Both way you will make money, but you just need to stay out of the market till it's inside the range. Okay? GBP Swiss franc. Okay. You see, market tried to penetrate, failed. Penetrated. Did the market retest? It tried to advance, but that's a limitations done here, and this area become a congested and range market. Market tried to penetrate down, failed. Try to penetrate high, failed. Try to penetrate down, failed. Failed, failed, penetrated. But okay, in this scenario, this also a limitation. There's a limitation over here, and there's a limitation over here. Basically, the GBP Swiss franc stuck in a very small range. If this kind of incident happen, usually we know something's going to happen for GBP for next week or 2 weeks time. This will create a big volatility in GBPUSD because the price is congesting. So in this kind of scenario, don't go in and get slaughtered. What we will do is assume I don't know what's going to happen. Assume markets all of a sudden bleed down. Don't rush and go in. Whatever price that create high volatility, it has to be rebalanced. So what we will do is we allow all the account bust first for other people. Once everything settled, we'll go in here and make the money. Most of the traders, fund managers will not rush into opportunity first. They will allow the market to move first. Okay, so I'll keep GBP Swiss franc as under observation. New Zealand yen. Okay, this is on a weekly chart. Okay, on weekly chart, observe this. Okay. Market tried to penetrate, failed. Tried to penetrate, failed. Tried to penetrate, penetrated, immediate retest. Did the market retest again? Penetrated, retest again. Try to advance, fail. Why fail? There's another price action story here. You see, market tried to penetrate, fail. Try to penetrate, fail. Penetrated, retest. Try to penetrate down, fail. Try to penetrate, down, fail. Penetrated. Retest. Retest. Actually, New Zealand yen stuck in a very good range. Weekly chart trading is more fun. When you take position now, you close after 2 months. And do you know how much is the profit if you trade on weekly chart? 5-10 pips, 1400 pips. Sabrunga. Okay, what I'm anticipating is market will retest to 80.60 level. New Zealand yen. I will sell once market retests 80.60 level. I'll go short, or even any price that lower than that on the weekly chart. I'll go short. Daily chart, at the moment on daily chart, sellers already come in. You know, next Monday, those are price action traders and signal. If market reach here, open any higher, I'll go short. I'll manage my stop loss differently for this currency pair, because on weekly chart it's already it's a very clear downtrend, and this trade, those who like those are like beginners, they will miss out the trade because they're not giving a very good price for beginners to go in. You know, they're just bringing it down itself, which happened in a Euro USD on a daily chart, sorry, weekly chart. You see, market was just bleeding without a proper correction. They made 240% in 13 months, and they are not trading with $500 or $1,000. It's a huge money, but they go in with a very secure money management. So once you have mastered the skill, no one will trade with $500 anymore or $1,000. You will sell off everything and then put your money, but you know how to manage the money with a proper risk reward. We are trading not to lose. So whatever money you put, the fear will be already eliminated, because most of the traders have the fear, you know, hey, what will happen in this news time? Will my account bust or not? But once you know how to control the risk, you will put big capital and trade, because to take bigger position. Okay, and then I want all the price action traders to observe all the charts in weekly chart. If you see any good setup confirmation, please do alert weekly chart, because Trump is creating a good mess. It's a good volatility for traders. We are making more pips this year compared to last year, thanks to Trump. I'm dedicating the video for him. Okay, on a weekly chart, price, I'm anticipating price to retest, then I'll go short. We can anticipate about easily short term about 300 pips, long term about 1004. USD Singapore dollar, is it uptrend or downtrend? Okay, let me explain whatever you guys learned on intermediate. You say market created a high, this is the low, this is high, this is low. What high is this? Higher high or higher low? Higher high. Is this higher low or lower low? Higher low. This is low. So market have created, okay, we cannot take this into consideration. Okay, let me repeat again. This is high, this is the low, this is higher high, which the new intermediate people will be learning next week. This is higher high, this is higher low, this is higher high, this is higher low. Correct? Clear, right? First step, second step, third step, fourth step. What you guys have to do? Sell or buy over here? Buy. You buy here, you miss opportunity of 400 pips. By learning the trend identification late, you miss 400 pips. Okay, next one. High, low, high, low. Higher high, lower high. Higher high, higher low, and this is higher low, higher high. Did the market create higher high, higher low? This is an area where a lot of buyers comes in. Did the market move up? How many pips we miss? 500 pips. Huh? So what happening over here? Another point, another PRA, PRD. Market tried to penetrate, failed, tried to penetrate, failed, penetrated, retest, advance, stuck in a range here, penetrate down, retest and drop. So basically market already reverse in USD, Singapore dollar. USD already start weakening, Singapore dollar strengthening. So you will see a not balanced movement in Singapore dollar compared to USD with Malaysia ringgit. Singapore dollar would be strengthening faster compared to USD. In this scenario, I might predict that Singapore dollar might hit 330 or 340, whereas USD might with the Malaysian ringgit might stay in the 440 to 450 range or 430. Okay. So if you ask me, I will go short at Singapore dollar 1.41160, which is this price. I'll go short with confirmation. Okay. Let's recap again. But how about USD Mexican dollar? I think we forgot the trade lah. Any exotic pairs? This is very good skinny leg. This still got away? 400 pips. But I wouldn't be entering now because it's already low. If you guys still holding anyone holding position still? 1, 2. Oh, another 400 pips to gain lah. So let me recap on the skinny leg. Those who have learned skinny leg, this is a very good skinny leg, right? The skirt was over here. Once market created, penetrate, retest, advance, this is new high. So what I'll do is I'll mark this new high. This is new high. And where's the skirt? Skirt is over here. Those who don't know what I'm talking, this is the intermediate strategy. Not a skirt close or mini skirt. This is skirt. Anything below skirt is whose zone? Seller zone. So I mark this with the red color. Anything above skirt is okay. So very clear price action story. Market penetrator, retest, advance. So this was new high. If at all market closed below the skirt, the market already entered to seller zone, red zone, right? So you can sell, place your stop loss here and you take profit here. How many pips is this? 1400 pips in USD Mexican dollar. So out of 1400, we actually miss out. We don't know because we were observing a lot of trade. We miss out. After that, market created very clear lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. A lot of sellers entered here, which we also entered here. Before that, you see lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Can we sell here? Very good position. So you make about 350 pips. Then create lower low, lower high. You sell, you make another 400 pips. Let's see how much we make last week. Close to 800 pips. I think we only make about 400 pips out of 800 pips. 400 pips wasted. Okay. Still got another 400 pips to be captured in the market up to this level 18.6778. If you ask me, I won't be selling here, but I don't mind sell USD Mexican dollar if price reach 19.43, sorry 19.45. I don't mind sell with a confirmation. I'll go short here and then I'll close my position. So once market reach this level, that means market create lower low, lower high, created lower low, lower high. I doubt it will create a lower high. Most likely it's going to create a very steep down for next week. Any other currency pairs which I miss out? Let's look at another one more exotic pair. USDZAR. Very clear trend identification. Low, high, low, high, lower low, lower high, lower low, low high. Can we sell here? If you have short here, the next create lower low. Do you know how many pips is this? 5,700 pips. Oi, jackpot, huh? So this is the power of exotic pairs, and the spread could be 200 pips. So if you're trading with a capital of $500, you put $1, account bus. So who trades USDZAR? So I just want to add some value for those who attended here. USDZAR is a very good indicator. I use indicator. What indicator? I use two indicators in my chart. Another indicator. USDZAR and gold as an indicator for currency movement. Okay. USDZAR. All the fund managers love USDZAR because during crisis time they will sell USD. They will buy. They keep all their assets, all the currencies in ZAR. What is ZAR? South Africa Rand. So they will keep everything in Rand because not to make money, to collect interest. The highest interest paid in ZAR in the world. So how much is the swap? Let's check the swap. Okay, you see, if at all someone sell one lot in USDZAR, if you sell one lot in USDZAR, sell means what? You anticipate market to go down, right? Actually, you're selling dollar, you're buying ZAR. That's why you anticipate market to go down. If you sell one lot daily, you will get paid 119 without doing anything. Swap. You don't have to make money, you don't have to do anything. Just do a sell position and hedge yourself with a different strategy. There's a different strategy where you don't need to make money. The swap itself, they collect the swap. So all the fund managers will place their fund in a ZAR, collect interest. While you wait for the crisis to over, you want to make money, right? You put money in a ZAR. But if at all you accidentally you buy ZAR one lot, they will punish you with minus $272 every day. That means they don't want you to convert from ZAR to USD. They want you to keep in ZAR. So if you convert ZAR out of South Africa and convert to USD, they will punish you. So what usually fund managers will do, they keep the currency for 6 months to 1 year. Probably they make about 20 to 30% on the fund. They pay the penalty and exit from the currency, or they convert into bond and exit with zero loss. They got a lot of strategy. Okay, about South African rand, let's do some read up on our Google. You see, you can go back home, check on Google, ZAR, okay, probably USDZAR better. USDZAR, it's like extra knowledge, just giving some, where you will not come across this kind of information. This is how they protect their fund. You can go and check macroeconomic forecast, a lot of things, the rand and your offshore investment. It's all about timing. Okay, let's read this. Actually, we can watch a video. Let's see whether we got a video. Not here. So you can read all the fund management company in the world, they choose ZAR as a backup. If anything doesn't, nothing works very well, they will go put all the fund in South African rand, they collect interest. And that will add, if more people are converting to ZAR, that means what's happening? It's already started recession. This is the indicator, you know. You check the indicator. Is it going down or going up? It's clearly going down. That means more people are investing on ZAR compared to USD. That means we are entering recession. We already entered recession. Okay, so I'll pause the video here. As the opportunity comes, we'll update through apps and YouTube videos. Thank you.